the stress level has gone way down, and honestly, just in that, from an owner perspective, you're able to make so much better decisions and choices when you're just not freaking out about everything. You know what I mean? It's a very daunting thing to try to, run your own business, especially if you don't have a business background. Like, it's a sink or swim kind of situation, really.
Yeah.
And so, the stress level's gone down. We're spending a lot more time with our girls. We try to carve out time in the week to do, specific, like, daddy-daughter time and
That's
things like that.
awesome.
I don't feel like I have to work weekends anymore,
Yeah. That's awesome.
Well, case in point, we were able to take this trip. We've sort of made a little vacation out of this trip, even.
Yeah.
But it's just you got a lot more freedom, a lot less stress, and we're hoping to get even more freedom.
Yeah.
So,
That's awesome.
and that's part of why we're here, really, is to help scale our team and make things easier to manage.